Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to soft reset your BLU Vivo One Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so the reason you may want to do a soft reset is because maybe your phone froze up, maybe it has a virus, or it just all of a sudden froze completely. You want to just force reboot it. That's what a soft reset is. So for example, let's say it just froze here. What you're going to do is you're just going to press and hold the power button and just continue to hold it. If you see nothing come up, it's okay, just keep holding it. After a couple seconds, it's going to turn off completely and the phone will reboot by itself. And it will do the reset, and it will just boot up and you'll be able to hopefully start using your phone normally again. And there we go. As you can see, the phone has rebooted and the soft reset was done. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. So that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.